You're being distracted from what really matters. You probably don't even notice it. It happens every time you unlock your phone, open social media, binge watch one more show, or scroll endlessly through videos. You feel a little entertained, but somehow also empty. You laugh at the meme. You enjoy the game. You grab the snack. But then what? That voice inside you whispers, "This isn't it." You're not lazy. You're not broken. But you are being pulled into a trap. A modern trap. One designed to feed you endless pleasure, without purpose. And if you stay in it, your life might pass you by. Not dramatically. Quietly. Until one day, you look back and wonder, what did I really do with my time? But here's the truth, you can break free. You can reclaim your focus, your direction, your spark. You can wake up again to real joy, not just another dopamine hit. And we'll show you how. Let's begin. It starts with understanding the game. Imagine you live in ancient Greece, sitting in the sun, talking with philosophers. One of them, Epicurus, tells you, pleasure is the key to a good life. And you agree. Why not? Pleasure feels good. But Epicurus wasn't talking about endless chocolate or non-stop entertainment. He meant deep satisfaction, peace of mind, friendship, meaningful conversations, living simply. That kind of joy. Fast forward to now. That message got twisted. You're told, chase pleasure. More, more, more. Fast food. Fast likes. Fast fun. But here's the problem. It's not the kind of pleasure that fills you up. It's the kind that leaves you needing more. It's like drinking salt water when you're thirsty. Every swipe, every scroll, every click. You get a hit of dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. It says, hey, that felt good. But it's short. And you start needing bigger hits to feel anything. This is where things get dangerous. Because dopamine isn't evil, it's what motivates you to do things. But when it's hijacked by endless stimulation, you lose your compass. You stop chasing meaning. You chase the next fix. And slowly, you drift. Have you noticed how hard it is to sit still for 5 minutes without checking your phone? How uncomfortable silence feels. How scary boredom has become. That's because you've been trained to believe pleasure equals happiness. But they're not the same. Pleasure is easy. Real happiness takes effort. But the rewards? They last. Let's go deeper. Let's look at a day in your life. You wake up. What's the first thing you do? Reach for your phone? Your brain gets hit with a wave of notifications, dopamine. You scroll for 20 minutes. You say, I'm just catching up. But what really happened? You started your day reactive. Consuming. Already distracted. Then maybe you go to class, or work, or wherever you're supposed to be. But your focus is fuzzy. You keep checking your phone. Every time you're bored, your hand moves automatically. You don't even think about it. At lunch, you eat while watching a video. The food? Barely tasted. Your friends? Also on their phones. And by night, you've had moments of entertainment. But no moment that actually mattered. Sound familiar? That's the simulation. A life filled with stimulation. But not fulfillment. Here's where things shift. You are not weak. You are not broken. You're just in an environment that profits from your attention. An economy that feeds off your impulses. But you have something more powerful than any algorithm: awareness. And once you see the trap, you can step out of it. That's what this video is really about. It's not just about quitting social media. Or eating less junk food. Or reading more books. It's about remembering who you are, and what kind of life you actually want. So let's rebuild. Let's go from meaningless pleasure to meaningful living. And we start small. Here's the first shift. Stop numbing boredom. Start listening to it. Boredom is not the enemy. It's a message. It's your mind saying, there's something more for you. Next time you feel bored, don't escape. Sit with it. Ask yourself, what do I really want to be doing right now? Sometimes, the answer will surprise you. The second shift. Create more than you consume. Instead of watching another video, write your own thoughts. Instead of liking someone's post, call someone. Instead of playing another level, build something. It doesn't have to be big. A journal. A sketch. A conversation. A song. Anything that expresses you. That's real joy. Third shift. Rebuild your relationship with dopamine. You can still enjoy fun things. You don't need to become a monk. But take control. Delay gratification. Let your brain reset. Try a dopamine detox for 1 day a week. No social media. No junk food. No endless stimulation. Just life. You'll be shocked how quiet your mind becomes. How clear your thinking gets. How real life starts to feel again. Fourth shift. Know your values. What do you actually care about? What matters to you? Adventure? Love? Health? Purpose? Write those things down. Now ask, does how I spend my time reflect those values? If not, it's time to realign. You have limited time on this earth. Don't trade your one wild life for a feed you'll forget tomorrow. Let's zoom out. This isn't just a you problem. It's a generation problem. You're part of a generation raised on stimulation. But you can be part of the revolution that reclaims attention. Epicurus would be proud. Because the real pleasure, the deep, lasting joy, is found in doing meaningful things. In connecting, creating, struggling, growing. That's the paradox. Meaning often feels harder than pleasure in the moment. But it makes life feel worth it. Imagine this. You wake up. You don't touch your phone. You stretch. You journal. You breathe. You go outside. You taste your food. You speak with someone and actually listen. You work on something that matters. You laugh. You rest. You grow. At the end of the day, you're not drained. You're alive. That's the life waiting for you on the other side of cheap pleasure. It's not about being perfect. It's about waking up. One moment at a time. Here's how you can start today. Turn off notifications for 1 hour. Take a walk without your phone. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Call one person you love. Spend 10 minutes in silence. It's simple. But it's powerful. Because every time you choose awareness over autopilot, you're rewriting your life. You're taking back control. You're stepping out of the simulation. And you're stepping into you. You've come this far. So let me ask you one more thing. What will your life look like if you keep living like this? Always chasing the next hit. Always distracting. Always escaping. Now, what could it look like if you don't? That future, it's yours to create. And you don't have to do it alone. We're here to help you grow. To question. To rediscover your spark. If this spoke to you, subscribe to our channel. We create videos to help you wake up from the noise. To help you build a life full of depth, joy, and meaning. Not just more pleasure. But real, lasting happiness. Because you deserve more than distractions. You deserve a life that actually feels like yours. Let's walk that path together. See you in the next video.